Hello everyone. So let's start solving today's problem, string permutations. So in this problem, we have been given a string and all we have to do is to find all the permutation of the string. So for example, let's take a custom example. Let's take ABC. So I have already have it here. So initially what I'll be doing is point. So if you don't know what is permutation, what what is this string permutation? What string permutation is? If you have no idea, then let me tell you. What we'll be doing is first the string as it is would be included in our answer. Then what we'll do? We can swap this A with B. Then this can be a one possible answer like B A S G. Then A B G S can be a possible answer. So there can be a 4 factorial answer, which is nothing but 24. All right. So we'll be swapping all the characters one by one. Okay, so if you don't get it, now let's look at the recursion tree. So what we'll be doing is first we have to iterate over the string, right? That is fixed. That we have to do. So what we'll be doing is from here, from the ABC, initially the I is pointing at very first character, and we have three possible ways of swapping. First, we can swap this A with A itself. So there won't be any changes in the string ABC. The second choice we have is to swap the A with B. So we will have BAC. Now the third choice we have to swap A with C. So we have CBA. And we will also increment our I to the next position since we have swapped the first element, right? So there will be three calls made from the initial stage, A, for B, for C. And now for this, for the second uh, what can I say for the from the first level, we have two choices. We can swap this B with B itself, and we can since we are swapping the element uh, which are found next to our character, our current character. So we can swap our B with B itself. So in that case, we will have ABC, and we can swap our B with C. Okay, so we will have ACB. Similarly, here we have two choices. We can swap A with A. So we will have BAC, and we can swap A with C. So we will have BCA. Similarly, for here, we have another two calls. Now, if we try to again swap, we have we will have only one choice to swap C with C itself, right? So there won't be any changes in the last string. So all these strings are our possible answers. So if you notice, the number of characters in this string were three, and the number of permutation we got is six. All right. So let's code this approach that we have discussed. Let's try implementing it. So this is the code. So what I have done is, first of all, we have created an answer vector. Then we have passed a start and end variable, start and end parameters to my solve function. Okay. And this answer vector will be returning is our answer. So in this solve function, we have passed the answer vector as reference. Then the start pointer, which will be pointing initially at the start of the string. Then the end, which will be pointing at the length length of the string, which means the at the end, and then the string itself. So if our start reaches end or exceeds it, we simply push the s string, means original string, in the answer and return from this function. Otherwise, what will we do is we were iterating over the string, and we were swapping the current character with the character which were at the current position, right? So if you don't remember, let me remind you, we can swap the character with the character itself, that is B, with the rest of the character, means the character after the current one. All right. So that's what we have done. And we have called the recursion to handle the rest of the cases. Then we have solved this thing is for the backtracking. Since after the function call, back. So after the function call, from when we return to the original function, since we consider case ACB. So when we return, we should have the ABC as our original string, right? But we will have ACB. So in order to revert back the changes, we need to backtrack. So that's why we are again swapping the start with the index. So I hope you get the solution. Now let's submit. Okay, so there's an error. Let me check. Start in plus one as oh. Okay, so we have to sort the, since we are asked to return the lexicographical lexicographical answer, right? So we have to sort at the in the end. Since you can see here that the output should be in a sorted manner. That's why we have sorted the answer vector and then returned it. So, okay, thank you.